All right, guys, today's the day. Our West Elm furniture is finally arriving. I'm so excited to see this unboxed, but first I wanted to share with you the awesome white glove delivery that West Elm does, which was included in the purchase of these pieces that we just got. So this is basically the people are delivering the furniture right now. They're actually assembling it, and then they're going to bring it all inside, so I don't even have to do any of the work. This is the Cutler Media Console that we just purchased from West Elm. We're super excited. The delivery men are actually really nice, and they're assembling and putting this into position for us. All right, here's that Cutler Media Console all built out. They put it together for us and actually delivered it, and this has been such a great experience so far. We're really pleased with West Elm. And here's what it looks like in full. This is a really heavy-duty actually piece of furniture. It's super sturdy and actually really well crafted. And here's what the bottom of the Cutler table looks like after it has been assembled. It doesn't have the leaf in the center yet, but this is what the structure looks like on the bottom. They're going to put the dining leaf in the table now, and this is how you do it. And that's what it looks like, fully assembled and set up, the Cutler table. And then this is the bench that goes with it. And this is the Marcus Samuelson leather dining chair. We got 2 of these as well, and this is the sesame color leather. And this is the Cutler desk with the filing cabinet as well. This was so great. This is going to be so wonderful in our home. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching the white glove delivery of our new West Elm furniture, and be sure to check out the links in the description below of where you can purchase these items as well.